Hello, my name is Sukat. You are watching from Mr. Chasey channel, and we come from Som Legacy Restaurant. Our address is 726 Sergeant, Winnipeg, Manitoba, and our phone number is 204-691-2299. Okay, you will order halal food here, and you can order from Uber Eats, Skip Dish. We do catering, and we have beef, lamb, chicken, fish, Italian food, Middle Eastern food, and Somalian food, which is East Africa. As a Somali, as an East African, usually Somalian, we eat everything with banana. That's part of our culture. Like, whenever you are offering a food to Somali person, please include the banana. I will probably say like Filipino, African, Middle East, like the First Nation, or like everyone in here, they like our food because our food is fresh. We make by order. So that's what makes us unique. Oh. Because people, why they are buying, the main reason, you want fresh food. We make our spicy separate the food. So the spicy always will be on the side, and depending on the person, if you want to eat with the spicy, then you will add it. If you don't, then you will take out it. So it's nothing in it. Everything separate. It comes on the side, so it depends on what the person eat. And most of the people, they like our spicy. Usually Filipino, Vietnamese, Thailand, spicy. No, there's no Somali restaurant in Winnipeg except this one. Yes. Halkan waxaan nahay Som Legacy Restaurant. Waa maqaaxida Soomaalida ay ku leedahay magaalada Winnipeg. Waxaan sameynaa Somali food, waxaan sameynaa Arabic food iyo Italian food. Cuntadaydu waa fresh. Mid kasta waxaan ku sameynaa by order. cid kasta oo imaanaysa Winnipeg waxaan ku soo dhaweynaynaa maqaaxida Som Legacy. Waxaan kala oo bixinaa sida lacagaha loo diro iyo waliba maxaa la yiraahdaa adeegyo kale. So ha mogaanin Som Legacy. Okay, yeah, this business, like, as you see, the name is legacy. So I have the background of business, and I'm kind of businesswoman. So I did start last year, November 2023, and we are 1 year old now. So this is my first business restaurant. I have another business, yes, and I have another restaurant, but not in Canada. The best selling food here, it's lamb shank with rice, braised with hilly. That's the favorite for most of the people, but we have another item as well. The one you take a picture is Arabic family, Arabic plate. So there is a rice, fries, chicken shawarma, meat shawarma, and kebab, chicken kebab, and some fries as well with the sauce. Our main food as a Somali when it comes braised with rice, including lamb sugar, beef sugar, chicken sugar. They are very authentic and flavor, very tasty. As a Canadian spaghetti and Somalian spaghetti, there's nothing much difference, but a Somalia, Italian colonized in Somalia. So that's where we adapted the spaghetti. So the Somalian and Canadian, like our Somalian, it's close to Italian. So it's kind of a little bit different, but still the same. If I will advise a person who is starting their own business as a young age or whatever, I will say like before you start, you have to do three things. You have to know what you will start. Like example, if you're doing something, it has to be a specific thing. The second, you have to have enough budget. The third, you have to know your customer or your market. And you have to be very strong first because businesses struggle sometimes. So get ready for that. Yeah, like I'm born in Somalia. I moved to Somalia to Asia and then Asia to Canada. So I graduated my high school here and then I go to for college, which is RRC in Winnipeg. So after that, I opened this business. When I was 6 years old, which is
6 years old?
Yes. My favorite dish is like anchera with maasaro. Like it's oil with anchera, so I don't offer the oil here much, but anchera is my favorite food. Okay, the original, like our original food, it comes actually like Somalia because we cook Somali food, and also like the second part it comes from Middle East, which is we make Arabic food here, and we have Italian food as well here. My name is Sukat, and you are watching from Mr. Chasey channel. We are here from Som Legacy Restaurant, 726 Sargent, Winnipeg. You can call us 204-691-2299, or you can visit our website www.somlegacy.com, or you can order Uber Eats skip dish as well, or you can visit in person here, and we are welcoming you. Thank you so much.
So guys, nandito kami sa Som Legacy sa Sargent. So nag-shoot kami dito. So now, tatry namin tong food nila. So let's see. So sabi nila, this is a Somali bread. So tinitingnan ko siya para siyang pancake. Pero let's see, let's taste this. Good! I highly recommend this. This is good. Yeah, more fibers or more carbs. So, punta lang kayo dito sa Som Legacy sa Sargent. It's highly recommended. So good.
Okay ka muna, Master. Alright. Chicken, ano to? Chicken
Ano dito?
pesto.
Dito to. Somalian pancake.
Som sarap. Som sarap.
Somali bread.
Som sarap. Som sarap ah. Okay, next.
There's a question.
Absolutely.
It's easy question.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Yeah. What's my favorite color?
Who's your favorite customer?
Will be you.
Okay.
Master Casey Channel.